Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold price analysis. XAU USD stays depressed above $1,900. http ntvforex.com news ID 3093CF 7 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Gold prices struggle to keep bounces off $1,923.86 after 2-day losing streak. Second-tier news concerning Hawaii and Israel seem to have restricted further downside. US dollar gains, risk-on mood keeps the safe haven pressured. Virus treatment hopes to override US-China tension amid a light calendar. Gold picks up bids near $1,930 during the early Tuesday morning in Asia. The yellow metal dropped for the last 2 days in a row while closing around $1,923.24 on Monday. Although buyers are trying to retake controls, the quote remains inside the previous day's trading range between $1,924 and $1,934. Bears a return or consolidation while lower high since early August, followed by the latest weakness in the yellow metal's prices, favor gold bears. A short-term triangle formation established since August 7 keeps the buyers hopeful. Not only the technical pattern but fundamentals are also probing the seller saw entry. Among them, the prevalence of the coronavirus COVID-19 and the Sino-American tussle grab major attention. Even if the US government's efforts to fast-track the pandemic's cure recently favored the risk-tone sentiment, the rest of the top 3 virus-hit economies, namely India and Brazil, are still jostling with the first wave of the spread. On the other hand, TikTok's latest suit over the Trump administration's ban, claiming lack of fair chance to defend itself, joins India's phasing out of Hawaii equipment to cite the Sino-American tension. Additionally, the global market saw cautious sentiment ahead of this week's Key Jackson Hole Symposium also favors the risk aversion and may help the commodity prices. Though nothing from the farther could disappoint risk takers on Monday as S&P 500 and Nasdaq refreshed record highs while the US 10-year Treasury yields also rose 1.4 basis points to 0.654% by the end of North American session. While offering extra burden on the quote, the US dollar index DXY rose past 93.00 to 93.30 the previous day. Moving on, gold traders may witness a dull day in Asia amid a lack of major data events. Though, the latest chatter over India's moves and US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo's stand on Israel may offer small moves. Technical analysis with the 21-day SMA joining the resistance line of a short-term triangle around $1,971.72, buyers are likely to have a tough nut to crack while aiming the north. Alternatively, a downside break of $1,924, comprising the triangle's support, can take rest on a 50-day SMA level near $1,871 before challenging the monthly low around $1,863. Additional important levels overview today: last price 1928.66 today, daily change 11.77 today, daily change percent 0.61% today, daily open 1940.43 NBSP trends, daily SMA 20 1974.8 daily SMA 50 1863.6 daily SMA 100 1786.31 daily SMA 200 1666.81 NBSP levels, previous daily high 1956.05, previous daily low 1911.64, previous weekly high 2015.65, previous weekly low 1911.64, previous monthly high 1984.8, previous monthly low 1757.7, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1928.6 daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1939.09 daily pivot point S1 1916.03 daily pivot point S2 1891.63 daily pivot point S3 1871.62 daily pivot point R1 1960.44 daily pivot point R2 1980.45 daily pivot point R3 2004.85 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible.
Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.